To measure for your new SEC Online door, you will need a good quality tape measure and a pen and paper to record your measurements. We do not recommend bending the tape. Instead, we recommend using the tape lock and adding the tape body length to your measurement. The tape length is usually written on the side of the tape. When measuring your door, always be on the outside looking in. To measure the height, you will need to take 3 measurements: the left, the middle, and the right. Measure from the inside of the top track to the bottom track. If there is any more than a 3mm difference between your measurements, please contact us on 1300 735 405. Take a 12mm deduction from your shortest height measurement only, and enter in the field provided. To measure the width, measure from the track to the edge of the receiving interlock or the back of the fixed glass panel. Enter your width measurement in the field provided. To measure your lock height, first determine whether you want your new lock above the existing solid door lock or below the existing solid door lock. If you require your lock above, measure from the bottom track to the top of the existing lock and add 125mm. If you require your lock below, measure from the bottom track to the bottom of your existing lock and deduct 60mm. Enter your lock height measurement in the field provided. If you're ordering a Defendor 316 marine grade stainless steel door with the width measurement over 1000mm, you will need a centre bar, as the mesh at this size requires additional support. To measure your centre bar, measure from the bottom track to the centre bar on your existing screen door or the vision marks on the existing solid door. Enter your centre bar measurement in the field provided. If you do not want a centre bar, we suggest ordering a perf guard door which is rigid and therefore does not require a centre bar. We recommend taking all measurements twice. If you get different measurements, have someone check them for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact one of our friendly staff.